Hey viewers! Today I'll tell you how to back up WhatsApp chats on mobile. But first of all, we need to know why chat backup is important. Preserving memories. Many conversations on WhatsApp contain precious memories, such as important messages, photos, videos, and voice notes. A backup ensures that these memories are safe against accidental deletion or loss due to device damage, device change, or upgrade. When switching to a new phone or upgrading your existing device, having a backup ensures that you can seamlessly transfer your WhatsApp data, including chats and media, to the new device without losing any information. Security. By backing up your WhatsApp data to a cloud service like Google Drive or iCloud, you add an extra layer of security. In case your device is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can still access your chats and media by logging into your WhatsApp account on a new device and restoring the backup. Here I'm telling you how you can back up WhatsApp chats. First, open WhatsApp, then go to Settings. After that, you'll see Chats. Click on that. Then scroll up and click on Chat Backup. Now, click on Backup here. Your WhatsApp backup will start. You can set this backup to daily, weekly, or monthly.